Hey, I'm Brian Lewis, Associate Broker at Compass, and today I'm going to show you around 400 West 12th Street, Superior, Inc. This is a 3-bed, 3.5-bath dream home with great river views, and I cannot wait to show you around. Actually, guys, it's this way. One of the things I love about this home is the way this hallway unfolds, leading you to that river. Here in this coveted southeast corner, nearly 2,700 square foot home, the Hudson River is literally your front yard. An architect named Robert A.M. Stern, one of my favorites, built this building. It was inspired by the original Superior Inc. factory that stood right here. He used the same architectural elements, arches, high ceilings, big scale, made it feel like it's always been here, and the result is timeless. And you can really appreciate these grand proportions right here in this huge living room. This is a dramatic room with 11 windows facing the river. You've got multiple seating areas, herringbone floors, French doors onto a little Juliet balcony, and everything is wide open. The perspective here is grand, gracious, yet very comfortable. And nothing says easy living like this big old dining bar. You could seat 7, 8 friends right here, enjoy a casual meal, showcasing this amazing kitchen, or have a more formal dining experience right here in the open dining room. And the proportions of this lofted living room are so large, the owner created this divider behind this lattice work. So let us explain to you what she created. A bonus den. This is one of my favorite rooms because it creates a very intimate space for TV, for socializing. Where else do you get a room that's so large that you can create a den? Right here. Oh, we're done with the slow motion? Got it. But you know what we're not done with? This bedroom. This is the master suite. It's king size, got a king size bed, king size windows, king size river view, amazing walk-in closet, a bonus closet, and a 5-piece bath. What we also have is 2 other generous bedroom suites. They're big. They have great closets, they have ensuite baths, and they both have great views. One of which has a glass wall, so you can bring that river view right into the rest of the home. Pretty great. So I've had a great time today showing you around Superior Inc., 400 West 12th Street. And if you're interested in seeing this 3-bed, 3.5-bath home with these epic views, then give me a call. Thanks for coming by.
Thanks for watching. Like what you see on the show? Well, be sure to subscribe to our channel. We have so many more beautiful homes to share. It's all about love. Share these homes, you know?